Okay, so hello everyone. This is part 10 of our DSA with Python playlist. In previous video, we have seen how to extracting digits from a given number, and we have already done this program also, extracting digits from the given number and return as a list. Now we are going to solve another problem, okay, which is count number of digits. Okay, so what we have to do, we have to count number of digits which is present in the given number. Okay, so we have to count. So what does it mean, how we will count the digits? For example, okay, let me just open ideally. Okay, let me take a new file. Let me explain you what does it mean. Okay, so for example, our number is 1 2 5 6 7. Okay, so this is our number. In this number, we have to find how many digits are there. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So total digits are what? Total digits are 5. So we have to display total digits, right? So we have to write logic for this, right? First, what we will do, we will take a number from the user. So we will take a number from the user, which is integer number. We will take a integer number with the help of input function, right? And here we will write one string, enter any number. Okay, this message is for user. User will see this message, enter any number, and user will enter a number. Suppose user entered, okay, user entered this number, something. And we have to tell how many total digits are there in this number. So the same thing, we will create one function for this, okay, which will receive an input, and we are writing pass because we are not writing any logic right now, and we will call this function. Which function? One function we will call by passing n value. Okay, so we will pass n value and we will call one function. Okay, now we have to write the logic. So what we will do, basically, what we are going to do, we will, okay, so this is the number. So we will fetch this number and delete this number also. Okay, and we will increase count value. We will increase, okay, we will create one count plus equals to 1. Okay, every time we will delete the digit, we will delete the digit and we will increase the count value. As many time you will delete the digit, as many time you have to increase the count value, until we have to do this process until this number will not finish. Okay, means repetition involved. When repetition involved means what we will use? We will use while, right? So let's see how we can solve this problem. So we will create here while loop. Okay, so while loop until executes this process until number is not greater than 0. When number is equals to 0 or less than 0, stop the procedure. Okay, when number is greater than 0, keep repeating the same procedure. Okay, what we have to do? We have to increase the count value. So count initially what? 0. Count initially what? 0. And each time we don't need to fetch the digit. Why? Because we have to just count. We don't need to fetch any digit. We just need to count, right? So we will just delete and count. So first I will write here. First I will increase count value. Count plus equals to 1. Now I will delete the, what I will do? I will delete the last digit. Delete last digit. Okay, how we can delete? N is equals to n divide by 10. When you divide any number by 10, when you divide any number by 10, it will delete the last digit. But make sure you are doing integer division. You are not considering floating point, right? So means it will delete the last digit. Okay. Again, this number is again greater than 0. Count value will increase. Okay. Count value will become 2 now, and it will delete another number. Like that, it will delete all the numbers, and all the time count value will increase. And after that, what we can do? After the while loop, we can print the count. Okay, so we can print message total digits are, total digits are, okay, we can say count. Total digits are count. Okay, so let me execute this code. So 1, 2, 4, 8, 7, like this. So let's see how many digits are. So total digits are 6. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. So total digits are 6. So means we are getting our output. Expected output we are getting. Okay, so what was the question? Count number of digits present in the given, right? So this is counting. Suppose if you want to, suppose the question is something like this: count number of digits present in the given number and return count. So how we can solve this now? Return count means whatever we are printing here, we will not print count here inside the function. We will return count. Where it will reach? Where it will reach? It will reach from where we are calling the function. So here we are calling the function, right? And so what we will do here, we will write inside the print. Okay, we will write inside the print and we will write the message also. We can use f string. Okay, f string means whatever you will write inside the curly braces, it will print the value, and whatever you will write without curly braces, it will display as a message. So total digits are, or total digits simply we can print like this, right? Okay, let me run this code again. So I'm writing some random digits and it is saying total digits are 7. Let's count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7. So total digits are what? 7. So it is returning what? 7 digits. Okay, so this problem has been solved. Okay, next question is what? The fourth question is check whether the given digit is present in a number or not. Okay, so what does it mean? What's the mean of this program? Let me tell you, just let me take a new file. Okay, let me save this file, program number 9. Okay, so what is the mean of this? We have to search, okay, whether given digit is present in the number or not. So for example, I'm writing here, suppose number is what? 53167. Okay, and we have to find what? We have to find whether 3 is present inside the number or not. Okay, so we have to check. So 3 is present or not? So 3 is present. 3 is present means 3 is present means true. This value is true. So if 3 is present, we will return true. Otherwise, we will, if number is not present, we will return what? False. Right? So how we can do this? So we will fetch this number 7, we will fetch, and we will check with the help of if condition if this 7 is equals to 3 or not. So it is not 3, then we will check with this number whether 6 is equals to 3 or not. It is also not, then we will check with this number. Okay, 1 is equals to 3 or not? No. Now we will check this number. What is the number? 3 is equals to 3. Then what we will do? We will return true. Here we will return true. We will not go to the 5. Okay. Once we will get our like desired number, then we will not continue the procedure. Okay, we will stop once we will get the number. Okay, so what we will do? Let's do the same thing. First, take a number from the user. Okay, so n is equals to integer input, right? And we have to write here what? Enter a number. So user will enter a number and we will create one function, okay, which will receive one input. Initially, we are not writing any logic inside the function, right? And we will call this function by passing n value, right? And we will repeat the procedure number is greater than until number is greater than 0. Okay, and we have to fetch the last digit. Fetch last digit. So how we can fetch the last digit? So in order to fetch the last digit, we will write n modulus 10. Okay, so it will return one last digit. And we will store this digit inside what? A variable called s. Okay, so we will store inside s So as containing last. Suppose number is what? Number is this. Okay, so what is the last digit? Last digit is 4. So add as will storing 4. Now what we have to do? We have to check. We have to check whether this digit is matching with find a digit or not. So we have to take another digit. Okay, we have to take another digit, means finder digit. Okay, this digit also, this input also we have to take, means we will take key. Okay, key which is integer type, input, enter digit to find. Okay, enter digit to find. We can say this is the key. So we will pass here key also. Okay, we will pass key and it should receive key also. Okay, so whatever last digit is there, whatever, suppose we want to fetch, we want to fetch 3, we want to fetch 3. So what we will do, we will say this as containing 3 or not. So how we will check? As is equals to key or not. If as equals to key, then what we will do, we will return true. Okay, so return true means it will come here. Okay, suppose as not containing a key means as is. Okay, what we have to find? 3. Okay, and as will get the last value which is 4, right? So 4 is not equals to 3. So it will not return 3. It will not return true. So means it will come out from the loop. I mean it will come out from the if condition. And what we have to do? We have to check for this last digit. So we have to delete this digit first. We will write here n is equals to, okay, what we have to do? Delete last digit. Why we are deleting last digit? So that we can fetch second last digit. Okay, so that's the reason we will delete. N is equals to n divided by 10. Okay, so it will delete the last digit. Now the last digit is 2. So it will fetch 2 and it will check with 2. 2 is equals to key or not. So 2 is not equals to 2. Then delete the 2. Delete this. Okay. Now this 3. Now it will fetch what? 3. So 3 is equals to key or not. So 3 is equals to key. Then return true. So it will not again delete any digit. It will it will it will Okay, it will jump out from this function. Which function? Fun function. It will jump out from the function when it will see return true. It will jump out from the function and it will come here. Okay, it will come here and it will print what? It will print true. So whatever it is returning, we will print. Okay, so what it will return true, right? Suppose our number. Okay, suppose our number is something like this. Our number is something like this, 111. Our number is 111. So what it will do, it will fetch the last digit which is 1, right? And it will check 1 is equals to 3 because our key is 3. So 1 is equals to 3. No, then delete the last digit. Okay, delete it. Again fetch the last digit which is 1. So 1 is equals to key. No, then delete the last digit. Okay, delete it. So fetch the last digit which is 1. So 1 is equals to 3. So no, then delete again last digit, delete it. Now number is greater than 0. No, number is not greater than 0. Number finished and we didn't find any key. So in last, when it will come out from the loop, when it will come out from the while loop, what we have to return? We have to return false. What do you mean by false? Means we didn't get this key. We didn't get this key and number is over. Our number is finished. Our number has been finished, but we didn't get the key. Key means the value which we are finding inside the number. So it will return false in this case. Okay, let me execute this code. I hope you guys understanding this code. For example, I'm writing here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, now it is asking enter digit to find. I have to find 3. So what it is returning? It is returning true. Means 3 is present here. Okay, let me execute it one more time. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, and I'm searching here 8. So 8 is present inside this number. No, 8 is not present. So what will happen? It is returning false. False means 8 is not present. Okay, false means we didn't get any key which is equivalent to S. So that's why it is not returning true. When number is over and while loop has finished, when while loop will finish, when number will finish. Okay, what number? Suppose number is 1, 2, 3. So until number is there, you are inside the while loop. Still you are in while loop. Still you are in while loop. Now you are outside from the while loop. You are outside from the while loop. And if you are outside from the while loop, then it will return false. Okay, there are two ways to come out from this function. One way is it will return true. Second way is what? Return false. So it will return true only when it will match with key. The last digit will match with key. It will return what? True. Right? It will return false when while loop has finished and we didn't find any matched key. So it will return false. I hope you're understanding this program. If you have any doubt, you can write in comment section. I will try to solve your problem.